No, not too bad on $3. We just busted them green helmets, and these anvils are pretty high here on this machine, so. Oh, $32 one. Sorry about that glare. There's bright lights here in the store, man. Huge bonus for $3 compared to what I'm normally getting. $54 ball. Damn. What a sweet round. Come on, let's go. I think I got one more maybe coming. Probably right there. No, up there. Two-piece. What? 20 and a $78 ball. This is huge on a $3. Awesome. Wasn't expecting this, but here we go. $11 one. I'm sure that's probably going to be it. I don't think it's going to be enough for 4, but it might be. We got some good numbers there. We got a 54, a 78, 32 up there. One spin left. No, that's okay. This is going to add up nice. We're trying to bust them right there, them anvils that are pretty high. What a killer round. I got the green helmets on $4. You'll see that video probably before this one. Killer bonus. Wow, $244 bomb on a $3 bet. On a game that's underestimated. Not a lot of people play this game, but this game's paid out to me more than any other game I've ever played, except for Voodoo. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you all in the next video.